Norfolk Southern's Ergo Cup competition showcases the innovation, teamwork, and problem-solving skills of our engineering and mechanical employees. The ergonomics competition recognizes them for improving equipment and work processes that enhance on-the-job safety and productivity.
A good definition of ergonomics would be designing the job to fit the capabilities of the employee. The employees generally have the best ergonomic ideas.
Winners are selected based on 5 criteria. Emphasis is placed on innovation that reduces manual handling, lifting, and awkward postures to perform work. In the engineering department, 10 teams submitted entries reflecting in-house expertise to enhance job safety and efficiency. First place went to Mike Grimm, Luke Albright, and Eric Kotcher of a Pittsburgh Division Bridges and Building Gang, who designed a carrier to store and transport rail stabilizers. In the past, rail stabilizers were stacked in piles when not in use on bridge maintenance work, sometimes resulting in damage. Employees loaded and unloaded them individually at job sites.
When my gang says, hey, we need to come up with a solution to this, I 100% agree with them.
We took some measurements and we rough drafted an idea of a box.
That's how we came up with the birth of the box.
The new carrier provides a platform to neatly store up to 10 rail stabilizers, and a machine operator with a crane replaces manual labor to move them on the carrier.
These are heavy. With the design we came up with, it's less handling. You got to handle it one time.
I mean, the bottom line is it's all about safety out here, and I want to go home the way I come to work.
In the mechanical department, 26 teams in system and division locomotive and rail car shops submitted entries demonstrating their ingenuity to make jobs easier to perform. Taking first place in system shops were Seth McCoy, Adam Detwiller, Chad Vinglis, and Don Faulkner of Juniata Locomotive Shop, who developed a cam staging stand and lifter. Before, employees physically lifted a cam into place while kneeling or squatting, held it with one hand while installing bolts with the other hand.
We wanted to design something that was not only going to help take that 49 pounds off of an outreached arm, but that was also going to help quicken up the process. This new piece of equipment essentially takes all of that weight off.
The staging stand holds the cams in place, reducing the time and physical effort to install them. Machinists can easily spin the cams into position and bolt them in.
We're using the technology and resources available to us to make our jobs easier and safer.
At the end of the day, if we can make things safer and more efficient, we need to do it. We have to do it.
The champion team for division shops took a similar innovative approach. Wayne Strickland, Doug Seal, Steve Riley, and Brad Duncan of Knoxville, Tennessee developed a retracking device that aligns boxcar doors knocked off their guide track. Retracking doors the old way took 3 employees more than an hour. They lifted the door with a forklift and knocked it back into place with a sledgehammer.
We just figured that there had to be a safer and better way to do it.
We put our heads together and it all come together to what we have today.
The team's device eliminates the physical labor by coupling a 2-wheel dolly and a hydraulic lift jack. One person can roll the device under the door and turn on the lift jack to push the door back on track.
If we use the device in all the yards, it would, number one, make it efficient and easier for employees to perform the task. It's going to make it safer for them.
It feels good to know that we have been able to invent a tool that could make the job easier and safer.
Congratulations to all of Norfolk Southern's 2015 Ergo Cup winners.